Good morning, children, and hello, parents. Welcome to Standard 3 English Conversation class. What is conversation? Conversation means informal talk, or you can say friendly talk between two or more people in which they share their views and ideas. Here, we are going to take up some GK questions which I'll ask you and you will try to answer these questions. So let's start with today's English conversation class. Question number 1. What causes the alteration in the length of the shadow? It is rotation of the earth that causes the alteration in the length of the shadow. So you must have noticed, children, that in morning and evening the shadow is long compared to the shadow in the afternoon. It is because in the afternoon the sun is right above our head. Number 2. In which year did Vasco da Gama land in India? Name the year in which Vasco da Gama landed in India. So he landed in India in the year 1498. He came to India in the year 1498. Number 3. In which year was television introduced in India? When did television come to India? Television was introduced in India in the year 1959. And you must also know this, that some people called it idiot box. Number 4. Who was the inventor of video games? Now, what is this, children? This is a mobile phone. And what do you like best about it? Yes, you like to play your video games on it. So now tell me, who was the inventor of video games? Ralph Henry Baer invented video games. Please remember the name. Ralph Henry Baer invented video games. Number 5. Who invented the mobile phone? What is this, children? Mobile phone. It is wireless phone. Now tell me, who invented mobile phone? Martin Cooper invented the mobile phone. Number 6. Who was the inventor of the postage stamp? The stamp that you put on the envelope is called postage stamp. So who was the inventor of the postage stamp? Roland Hill is the inventor of the postage stamp. Say again. Roland Hill is the inventor of the postage stamp. Number 7. In which state is the Black Buck National Park located? Name the state in India which has Black Buck National Park. In India, the Black Buck National Park is located in Gujarat. Where is the Black Buck National Park? It is in Gujarat. Number 8. Which state has the highest number of national parks in India? So, in India, the highest number of national parks is in Madhya Pradesh. National parks are areas where wild animals are protected. Number 10. What was Jim Corbett National Park earlier known as? Jim Corbett National Park, children. What was it earlier known as? It was known as Haley National Park. Repeat again. It was known as Haley National Park. Number 10. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? Name the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize. And your answer is, the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize was Rabindranath Tagore. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? The first Indian to win a Nobel Prize was Rabindranath Tagore. And Rabindranath Tagore got the Nobel Prize for his work Gitanjali. Number 11. Who was the first woman to receive the Bharat Ratna? Now, who gets Bharat Ratna, children? A person who does exceptional service or performance gets Bharat Ratna for the recognition of his service. So Indira Gandhi was the first woman to receive Bharat Ratna. Who was the first Indian woman to receive Bharat Ratna? And your answer is Indira Gandhi. She got the Bharat Ratna. Number 12. Who was the first woman Chief Minister of India? Name the Chief Minister of Bihar. The Chief Minister of Bihar is Mr. Nitish Kumar. Now you have to name the first woman Chief Minister of India. Your answer is Suchita Kripalani was the first woman Chief Minister of India. The right answer is, children, Suchita Kripalani was the first woman Chief Minister of India. Number 13. Name the tallest building in the world. You have to name the tallest building in the world. And the answer is the tallest building in the world is Burj Khalifa in UAE. UAE stands for United Arab Emirates. So, the tallest building in the world is Burj Khalifa in UAE. Number 14. Name the longest river in the world. The longest river in the world, children. The answer is the Nile is the longest river in the world. Name the smallest country in the world. Children, you have to name the smallest country in the world. Vatican City is the smallest country in the world. Your right answer, children, is Vatican City is the smallest country in the world. Number 16, which is the world's longest railway platform. Name the world's longest railway platform. And the answer is Gorakhpur Railway Station, that is in Uttar Pradesh, has the world's longest railway platform. Number 17. Who was the first woman to go into space? Name the first woman to go into space. The first woman to go into space was Valentina Tereshkova. The answer is the first woman to go into space was Valentina Tereshkova. Number 18, which is the world's tallest monument. Name the world's tallest monument. The Statue of Unity is the world's tallest monument. This statue is of Vallabhbhai Patel. He was the Deputy Prime Minister of India. And this statue is 182 meter tall. It is in the Narmada district in Gujarat. Number 19. Name the author who created the famous series of book Harry Potter. I'm very sure, children, that all of you must have watched the movie Harry Potter. Now tell me the name of the author who wrote this Harry Potter. J.K. Rowling is the author of the famous series of book Harry Potter. Who wrote Harry Potter? J.K. Rowling. 20. Who is the author of the popular Noddy series for children? I read the question again. Who is the author of the popular Noddy series for children? And your answer is Enid Blyton is the author of the popular Noddy series for children. Noddy series is written by Enid Blyton. Number 21. Who wrote Winnie the Pooh? You are all very familiar with this character Pooh. Who wrote Winnie the Pooh? A. Milne wrote Winnie the Pooh. Who wrote Winnie the Pooh? A. Milne wrote Winnie the Pooh. Children, do you love reading books? Yes, we all love reading books. This is a novel. And can you name the novel? It is David Copperfield, and the author is Charles Dickens. Question number 22. Name the famous English novel for children written by Charles Dickens. Name the famous English novel written for children by Charles Dickens. Your answer is David Copperfield is the famous English novel for children written by Charles Dickens. Question number 23. Who is the current chief of the Indian Army? Manoj Mukund Naravane is the current chief of the Indian Army. Question number 24. What is Indian Space Research Organization, which is also called ISRO, mission to Mars known as? The mission to Mars is known as Mangalyaan. Number 25. Which is the tallest statue in the world? Name the tallest statue in the world, children. The tallest statue in the world is the Statue of Unity. And it is in the district, Narmada district in Gujarat, and it is 182 meter in length. It is a statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Parents, help your ward to go through the questions given for conversation and also try to help them to learn it. Thank you.